everyone and welcome back to my channel, LiveLoveCrochet. So today I'm showing you a sneak peek for my next tutorial. This is a cardigan that I've designed. We have front post double crochet, we have V-stitch, the arms are double crochet, and then we have a little collar of single crochet. And then on the back we also have the front post double crochet and the V-stitch. On the bottom we have ribbon, single crochet ribbon. We also have ribbon on the sleeves. So if you're interested in making this cardigan with me and you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, and the video will follow very soon. I am going to upload part 1 and part 2 of this video because it's going to be quite a long one. So hopefully you're going to join me for this, and I will see you very soon. Bye.